knows all my mind or her, we promise ourselves that we are going to marry, We have already sent to Benin, plan about how to do Komo here.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today na about one man wey cry out say the woman wey him be wan marry say see wetin the woman come do am, dey jogodo another man, dey go dey hustle for where they do igbiagia. So he talks so many things. They tell Mommy Yore, I just feed the man pay. I say some women, una own day una body oh. Some women una own day una body. Tomorrow una will come cry, come and say the man not take una serious, but what una use una hand cause una no go come talk am. More una listen, my darling people.
I don't know that my wife is a woman standing on the road.
Una dey hear.
Ordinary path.
Then always a woman standing on the road. Then always a woman standing on the road. Well, so I say she's a prostitute.
Okay.
So I said I am so available.
Mommy Yoro say is a prostitute. Make it talk and wear. Say the man say he don't know. Say a woman they go they stand for road. They also. Now wow for some women. Hey.
Prostitute. All those women who stand nearby the road, That's what she's doing. I just turn back. As she just see me, you're in that bush. So I continue going where I'm going. Many things, atrocities, So
Brother Zedo.
The last one now.
Brother Zedo, no make it.
The last one, you ever una mommy. The last one, you ever una. You go to Fiore. Video sex. A woman now often make me send the echo. Only we send the cab again. My way Barua. And we make it be or not now. And we get it be or no.
But some women, how you go follow man they has? You go they do it be agia. Go they stand for road. What do you they look for? Una they hear wetin this man they talk. But some women, una own day una body o. Una own day una body yakbata. Who does that? My darling people o. Not way Musa no go see for ghetto. Not way person no go see for this social media o. How can a woman, a married woman, they do video call with another man, they try make us. Now wow, not way person no go see for this social media o.
Eh? We will pass you away at the end of the Bimama. Okuno Salo Bat, away pastor Yashi, Erin, Muna, Peggy. But the day I way back, why you move? So I was trying to stop her because of the love I have for her.
He said the woman saying na Christian, but they go road walk, go the hustle. Hey! Mona can't listen, no mona can't hear story.
But Amamie, a more for me or me, or I don't know where you want. No, good and I think Babu. Hello. So for me, may I got a book video for my life.
The another one, where Papa Jiro. Una do like Papa Jiro na repeti.
Papa, the Patajo, no one muye, Ninimuna. Osigba ani medu mwe woman na wuwa. Omo member of Nigeria, he said he will give. It was coming for near every month. But at the end, it's fucked up.
A man where they do everything for you like this, if they take care of your two children where you fair get for Nigeria. Now you see carry your make you see carry and go road work. Later, now they blame our Benin men there. Hey, our Benin men not they responsible. Our Benin men not good though. But now what una they do now they cause some. Now what una they do? Una the year matter. Una the year matter. Later, those our Benin men they say they go. See this one now, they cry. His wife. Ah, I feel your pain, my brother.
Omonuma bie wa said you go gia one yok ma wa no. Okay, no way you are a good man.
So she take me as a fool.
No.
She take me as who don't know anything, you know. And we come from the same village, Urunigbe.
Of Urunigbe.
I will with my women. Yes. I will with my women. No, now what do I win?
Ah, wow.
Brother, oh, what my wajia? Be to where to bane. Oh, what my wajia?
Me rogi me. You be rogi. You know with metal stick here.
Then a woman now we are away, but hello, brother. Time. Toge wa we gbasan we ko ma fi yen tai nu gi ya leni be story we. Igwe nu gun a. Awi yen ga we gbasan ta wa we gbasan mo to ma we.
Awo ma se.
He say if he sleep with this woman 5 times, this woman go say he no rich. 5 times, man go jogodo with you. You say he no rich. Who you be? Hey, salobwa. So women, na igbe agia what some of una do na make una no come get sense again abi waiting. How can a man go sleep with you 5 times? You say he no rich. You don't know why she dey go road work.
I want him back by my wife. I come out for my wife.
Then why you got drive you can was soon to brother time 7 o'clock time we are now.
He may be a Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday.
He say if he jogodo with the woman finish, if in the drive they go for road, then go they cry because he not get power again, he not get strength again. My brother, you need somebody to tell you, say, may you run for your life. You need somebody to tell you, now may they tell you now, Lady J, say, run for your life, I beg.
Yeah, so why again? The same thing. Yeah, then we know. So how can I live with that kind of woman? For love, you know?
Every day, I be once in a week. Every day.
I will tell you.
Now, wow.
Then I want to be a forcing ni a me up me brother Gwan. You on the boy Simani Kedi I learning.
You can't introduce him like.
He said the woman be want to introduce and make it the leak it bakes, but in no agree.
What macaron? Oh, what's here now? I do get out of our toe.
No, can't bring so on a delay. Imagine, so let's consent to her, but all regret. So no bad for him away.
Now, wow.
You want to look me? I have a weapon. What I force a boy, Simani, and Buakara. What I force here. What I see young Shiva. Look at you, what a mom. On a like we are where. Maybe we force a what I force here. Many boys who are complain your way who was young.
Mommy, you say more not the first smell again. Maybe they come the wash una make us say no good. More not the first smell again. My darling people, what do you think about this video? Some women are really wicked, like seriously. Some women really did wicked. I don't want to make this video too long because the video is really long, but I don't want to make it too long. So anything you want to think about the video, wanna leave on a comment for the comment section. What did this woman do? If you good or you not good, wanna still leave on a comment. Thank you, and always put thumbs up and share the video. Bye.